Hello everybody, welcome to Artist of the Year trophy. The Queen of Dancehall last night received the Artist of the Year honor at the inaugural staging of the Caribbean Music Awards at the Brooklyn Kings Theatre.
First, you don't know me, I have to big up Father God who's always ahead of my life. You know me not do nothing without him. And I want to take time out to say, you know, I've been in the business for 20 years. It's not an overnight success. And it was only because of the grace of God why I'm standing here tonight. It was only because of fans like you who took the time out to vote for me. So I want to dedicate this to my best to them. Because you know we have the best fans in the world.
Ding Dong copped both Male Artist of the Year for Dancehall and the 2022 Impact Award for Soca. Among the night's winners were Vibes Cartel, who received Artist of the Decade. Kabaka Pyramid received the 2022 Impact Award for Reggae, and Popcorn for Video of the Year for his collab with Tony and Singh, Next to Me. And Jamaican dancers are on a high following their showcase at Chris Brown and Friends concert. The dance fraternity is reveling in the recognition given to the dancers at the event. Dance choreographer LaTonya Styles credits Ding Dong for engaging over 30 dancers on such a huge platform.
The dancers have really stepped up a notch. So other than just dancing as backup dancers, they're now even singing their own songs. So a lot of the dancers came out with music, even if it's a collab, but they step up the game big time. I'm so proud to see the young acts being on the big stage like Sunfest, and even Ding Dong's performance the other day at Chris Brown's show, it was a lot of dancers. He had like 30 dancers, and TJ also had a whole lot of the street dancers on stage, giving them that spotlight.
Styles says that the status of Jamaican dances have grown since TikTok craze for our content.
I think the dancers are really blowing up on social media, especially TikTok, because the younger generation is on that platform.
Stars is gearing up to host the national finals for the Red Bull Dancer Style competition this Saturday. The event can be watched live on RETV at 9 p.m. That's it for you, Prime. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.